हैं?
ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप
बहुत अच्छा है।
नहीं, वो सभी अच्छे किए। लास्ट में जो एक 10 रन 20 रन ज्यादा होना था वो नहीं हुआ।
ओके
इंडिया couldn't cross the line yet again.
ओके, कैन यू प्लीज से इन तेलुगु? तेलुगु आते हैं ना?
हिंदी आता है?
हिंदी नहीं आता, ओनली तेलुगु।
हम क्या 47 ओवर्स पे ऑल आउट हो गए, मगर हम 50 ओवर्स तक खींच सकते हैं, मगर और एक तो 20-30 जन जोड़ जाता है, उससे टारगेट 350 तक पहुंच जाता है। उसके बाद हम क्या इस आखिरी तक आए थे ना अभी तक मैच, हम इसको सिंपली जीत सकता है, मगर हाथ में ही है मैच। मगर बीच में रेणुका और अमनजीत का स्पेल अच्छा नहीं चला, और दीप्ति भी रन्स ज़्यादा दे रहा है, मगर बैटिंग में अच्छा कर रहा है, मगर बॉलिंग बहुत इनएक्सपीरियंस है। रेणुका ठाकुर है, मगर वो अच्छा बॉलिंग करता है, स्विंग बॉलर, उनको चांस नहीं दे रहा है। मगर अगर वो होता तो पावर प्ले ठीक से चलेगा, मगर गौड़ है वो बाकी लास्ट में आके फिनिश कर सकते हैं, मगर इनएक्सपीरियंस नहीं। मगर वो तो सीधा शॉर्ट बॉल का स्ट्रेटजी पे ही टिके रहा है। सदरलैंड जो जब भी आया डीप स्क्वायर लेग और सबको फाइन लेग को रख के सेम वही बॉल्स डाल रहे हैं। हम लोग जो है पुल शॉट के ट्राई में रख के कैच दे रहा है हमको, मगर वो अच्छा बॉलिंग किया है, मगर हम तो चांसेस नहीं लिया है बहुत, उनको बहुत डिफेंसिव खेला है उनको। अगर अलिसा हिली तो पता है वो क्लच में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रहा है, परफॉर्म करता है। थैंक यू।
Again, close match, but India couldn't cross the line.
Yeah.
What do you have to say on that?
Tournament play, it happens. We understand. It was very close game. Last game was also very close. So yeah, happens. Tournament play. Have to win all the matches now. Like we cannot drop any now from now on. Like probably can get through with 4 out of 7. But like if you don't lose any matches, I think we should qualify. And I think India is still one of the favorites for me.
We talk about like what went wrong. What do you think what went wrong?
I think we lost. Annabelle Sutherland's spell was amazing. I think she did really well. The 5 wickets that she picked, if you ask me, she was my man of the match. And of course, Elisa Elip just played out of her skin. Like absolutely, I think was the innings of the tournament definitely. But yeah, it was Annabelle Sutherland. Those last 5 wickets that she took, we kind of probably we had like 30-40 runs that we could have scored there. Even like 5 or 10 runs out there last over, anything would have happened. But yeah, great game. Really had a lot of fun. I came here from Hyderabad. Took a last night train. But I could not sleep yesterday because the train was very jammed. So yeah, great game overall. Amazing, and yeah, felt really great.
No, I'll hold it.
Yeah.
So
Hi.
India couldn't cross the line. They were so close to
Yeah.
winning, but not this time. What do you have to say on that?
So I think the major difference was the last 5 overs of our innings, because like we have lost almost up to 7 wickets. I mean 6 wickets, so we still have 4 wickets in hand, where we have bowling all-rounders and batting all-rounders like Sneh Rana and Amanjot. So still they could have batted till the end, so that they could have squeezed some 10 to 15 runs extra, which would have made a much difference in the climax. But yeah, that made the difference actually, the climax portion.
And from here on, the matches are quite difficult ones.
Obviously. Yeah.
So what do you have to say? Like,
So still we have 5 around. So if we get 4 out of them, so still we can make it up to top 4. So that we see once we get to top 4, we can play any. I think we have 4. Yeah. Still we can make it up to 4. Since we are favorites also. Yeah, we can make it up. Still, yeah.
again, a very close match with Australia, but India couldn't cross the line. What do you have to say on today's match?
To be honest, 330 is a very good score, and it is a very defendable score. It is a total impact on Alice Ellie innings. The captain of Australia has played a crucial innings with her century, and it is the impact. We missed wickets in power play. We should take wickets in power play so that the pressure is on Australia. That's the main thing. But anyways, we have only lost the match. India can come back and can come back to win the World Cup. It's just a loss of the league match. So no need of to take any pressure. So they need to go back and work on their basics so that they'll come back and they'll finish it strong. Let's hope India will win the World Cup.